Shopify is a cloud-based e-commerce platform, SaaS, that enables you to create and manage an online store with ease. It offers a full suite of features, including product, listings, shopping, cart functionality, checkout processing, accounting, inventory management, and social media integration. One of Shopify's key advantages is its user-friendly interface, allowing anyone regardless of technical or programming knowledge to set up and run an online business efficiently. All you need is a computer with an internet connection. Shopify is recognized for its user-friendly interface, making it a popular choice for businesses entering the e-commerce market. Most companies aim to get their online store up and running quickly, and Shopify simplifies this process. With its live customization feature, you can easily modify your website and publish it whenever you're ready without the need for a lengthy setup or complex customization process. The theme of your online store plays a crucial role in attracting and retaining customers. A well-designed theme can enhance user experience, increasing visitor engagement and improving conversion rates. Shopify offers a range of functional themes tailored to meet the needs of most businesses, helping you create an appealing and effective online store. To grow your online store and attract more customers, strong promotion is essential. With Shopify, creating landing pages and aligning your marketing strategies with your store is easy. You can also boost customer engagement by offering limited-time deals, shopping credits, and discount coupons. Additionally, Shopify provides all the tools and resources you need to drive success. Shopify is a serverless auto-hosting platform. You will not need to incur any additional costs for data storage and avoid data loss. Shopify guarantees that all third-party apps are free of bugs and have fast sync time with your shop. In the process of building a Shopify website, businesses cannot avoid difficulties. With that in mind, Shopify has created a 24/7 support team that can assist you at any time of the day. You can reach them via email, live chat, or their hotline. There are 4 hotlines with each assigned to a different area. Additionally, Shopify has a community where users interact with each other and get answers to their challenges and a fact database that you can consult at any time. Shopify offers 3 premium options with monthly costs of $29, $79, and $299 for each. Shopify free trial period is 33 days long. You can select any paid plan after the free sample time has ended. The base plan's features are so minimal that they hardly satisfy your requirements as a beginner. This implies that to obtain the features you require, you must purchase the more expensive package, $79 per month. This is a lot for a company that hasn't yet achieved a financial balance. Unlike other platforms that rely on PHP for theme customization, Shopify uses its own Liquid framework. Since Liquid is less commonly known among web designers, many users may find it challenging to customize their themes. As a result, they often need to invest time in learning how to work with the Liquid setup. Email storage is not supported by Shopify. As a result, you can simply start your online store using the web hosting choice. However, you can use a third-party email archiving extension to forward customer messages straight to your email account. You can rapidly contact your customers in this manner. Shopify operates within its own ecosystem and has restrictions that prevent you from migrating your store to another platform. If you decide to leave Shopify, you can only take a CSV export of your data, but not the full store setup. Therefore, it's important to Carefully consider your options before committing to the platform. If you're unsure what to sell, you can choose any product that interests you, as Shopify is a highly flexible platform that allows you to create websites for a wide range of industries. Many Shopify stores fall into the following categories: fashion and accessories, cosmetics and jewelry, home goods, electronics, food and beverage. However, Shopify is not limited to these industries. These are simply some of the most popular categories. You're free to build a store around any business idea, as long as it complies with Shopify's terms. In the first step, you need to sign up for Shopify now. You will get a free Shopify trial for $1. When you sign up, you will be asked to fill in some details about yourself. You'll need to provide your store name, address, and zip code. On the admin screen, you'll be able to add products, set up payments, shipping and analytics. Choose a theme and customize your store. Most of the action in the Shopify tutorial takes place on this screen. Although it's a bit of a choice and action, once you get it right, your store will run smoothly in the long run. Shopify themes let you customize your store's look, giving it a unique and engaging feel that sets it apart from others. In the Themes tab on your dashboard, you can easily change the default theme by selecting from a variety of free or premium options. However, Shopify only offers a few simple themes by default, so you can create pages with basic functionality. For greater customization and more advanced functionalities, we recommend using drag and drop page builder app like eComposer, Shopify Page Builder. You can see detailed guide on the next section. Customize your website functionality with eComposer. Once you're familiar with the Shopify admin panel, you can start adding the first products to your online store. To do this, navigate to Products and click Add Product. Optimizing your product listings makes it easier for customers to find them, so be sure to apply SEO best practices and carefully refine your product details. For more guidance, check out how to create a high-converting Shopify product page. Here are a few key areas to keep in mind when setting up your Shopify store. Store details. Manage and update general business information. Billing. Set up various payment methods to offer flexible payment options for your customers. Checkout. Orders are processed through Shopify's secure checkout page. You can customize its appearance and layout in the theme. Settings, including enabling one-page checkout, shipping and delivery. Configure shipping zones and rates in the Shipping and Delivery tab of your Shopify admin, ensuring accurate pricing for different regions. Taxes and duties. Many countries require businesses to collect and remit taxes on product sales. Shopify simplifies this by handling common tax calculations across multiple locations. Manage inventory, fulfill orders and track sales across multiple locations, such as retail stores, warehouses, dropshippers, or inventory management apps. After completing the designs for your store, you need to check all the parts before you go live your Shopify online store. Make sure the checkout process and settings for order processing, inventory, shipping, notifications, and taxes are working properly by clicking the preview button and visiting your store as a customer. You're just one step away from launching your store, adding a domain to Shopify. Like any website, your store needs a domain name, web address to help visitors and search engines find you. Shopify provides a default domain www.your-store-commonname.myshopify.com to get you started. However, for better branding and search visibility, you may want a Custom domain like www.your-store-main.com. You can purchase a domain directly through Shopify or use a third-party provider. To set up your domain, go to Settings, select Domains and customize it to fit your brand. When you're ready to launch your store, you'll need to choose a Shopify plan that suits your needs. Basic Shopify, $39 month. Ideal for new businesses or those just starting out. Shopify, $105 month. Best for established businesses that need more advanced features. Advanced Shopify, $399 month. Designed for rapidly growing businesses with a team. Once you've selected a plan, go to Online Store greater than themes and disable the password to make your store live.